Well, the stock's progressing nicely. I started off with 120 grit and gave it a fairly good sanding over. If you remember, most of the original finishes was long gone, so it's really just smoothing it out. And then I went down to some 400 and then some 600, and yeah, it smoothed out quite nicely, cleaned up quite nicely. It's quite light. On reflection, I think maybe it would have been better if I applied a light stain to it before I started with the finishing oil, but I'm not too unhappy. We'll change the angle and I'll close in on a bit on it. Yeah, it's had about 6 coats so far of finishing oil, and it's coming along quite nicely. It's starting to get a bit of a glow to it, which is nice. Don't want it too shiny. I don't like them super shiny, so I shall probably put a few more coats on yet. But I am quite pleased with how it's coming along. It was very light to start with, but the wood has darkened up a bit as the finishing oil has soaked in. So yeah, that's where we are with it at the moment. Still got some work to do, but no, it is coming along nicely. It's the only problem with the finishing oil. It does produce a lovely end product, but it does take time. You know, you've got to leave it 5 hours between coats, and yeah, it does take time. So, but I'll bring it back when it's more or less done. So the stock's finished, and I think it's pretty much ready to go back together. Took quite a lot of coats of finishing oil to actually get a decent finish on the stock. I don't know whether this is because the wood's not particularly good, or it was just not in very good condition. But it's all right. It's looking all right now. It's got some colour in it, and it's a nice sheen to it. So yeah, I think it's about time we put this thing back together. Well, here's the finished article, the Webley Junior, and it's not turned out too bad. I think it's actually looking a hell of a lot better than it was when it arrived. The bluing worked out really well. I'll scan down the length of it so you can have a closer look. Yeah, the wood's still quite light, but it's darkened up a little bit, which is what I hoped that it would do. As I say, the bluing on the barrel worked out really well. If you remember, the original front sight was broken, so what I managed to do is find a bolt that fitted into the threaded hole, and I just rounded the head of the bolt off to give it the bead style that the original sight would have had. It's not exactly the same, obviously, but I'm hoping that it'll do the trick and actually work as a sight. And here's the other side, and now basically we've got to do is see if it works. So let's get it set up for some shooting. Well, there's the target. Not brilliant, but there's a few things that you really need to take into consideration with a little Webley Junior. First of all, the front sight is not original. It was broken, if you remember, so I had to make one. So I can only guess the height of it. So the front sight could well be incorrect. In fact, when I first started shooting, as you can see, they were all down here, low and to the left. So I had to compensate for that. The rear sight is set as high as it will go. But once I compensated and started aiming up here, they all started to come onto the target. So I think that's just sight adjustment, really. Also, since the last video clip I shot, I've fitted a new spring. Wasn't really happy with the original, and so I bought a new one. They're not expensive or anything. So the air rifle is bedding in a new spring and a new seal. So the power is not going to be consistent until I've put, say, 100 pellets or something, and everything's bedded in nicely. So the power's not consistent. But this isn't too bad. I've got a few grouped together, you know, so I don't think that's too bad at all for a recently restored air rifle. Well, that about wraps it up for the Webley Junior. Very much enjoyed the process of restoring this. I do like working on these old air rifles, particularly when they're donated to me for free, and I like to feel that hopefully this will give somebody some pleasure for a few years to come. And yeah, I think it turned out okay. Anyway, as always, hope you've enjoyed the videos and thank you very much for watching. Cheers.